the advanced available to promise and backward processing. So this is a new concept in S4HANA. This BOP backward processing done through Fiori app. So this will from the ECC will do some setting in the ATP, and you can run the BOP using the Fiori app. So it will run only on the Fiori app. This BOP. Okay, so basically, why the ATP is given to increase your capability um, to find out or calculate your existing available quantity, how it is distributed to different customers. So everything can be done through ATP. So you can for if you are having a different customer, that's a important customer, or he wants the items immediately, so that we can check across the network, so where it is when it will be available. So when you run this BOP option in the Fiori apps, it will automatically propose which customers have more preference, whether to take the existing quantity from the other customer, less preferred customers, allot the main customer that or disabled customer. So everything can be done through ATP, through BOP also. Through BOP, we can allot the quantities according to the preference given for the customers. So this automatic backend processing, the system will automatically propose all the BOP operations. It will take from the existing customers which are not important to the very important sales orders. So that's the concept of the ATP. So this ATP is done from in the old SAP, old ECC, we had the setting under credit ATP under logistics general, sorry, the SD model and basic functions. Now in the view and this in ATP comes under cross application components. That ATP comes under cross application components. So you have to do both the configuration. You can do the configuration in ECC setting as well as S4HANA setting. Okay, it's a concept. Basically, you can see things. The option yes. Basically, it provides a response to order fulfillment inquiries is sales and production planning. Basically, it helps to do the order fulfillment from inquiries in the sales and production planning. Okay, so it consists of required materials and plans as well as respective. So it will consider all the materials and the plans and their respective requirements, quantity of dates, date days. You can do the calculation. And it's based on the ATP checks based on stock situation, current stock situation, and any future stock expected. And additional restriction and like regional customers, we can allot the sales orders according to the region wise or customer group wise can be applied. So you can transfer the requirements across region or across different customers. The also ATP function generate confirmation proposal. So once you do the ATP function, that when you run the MR and that BOP, so it will propose the requested material in the plan from where it can be sent to the customers. We have some features. We have scope of check and you can manage the delivery groups, and you can allot the quantity temporarily, and quantity distribution can distribute across customers and plants and scheduling check levels. These are the previous concept only. So you can do the scheduling. You can schedule the delivery requirement to the different customers dates also. You can check the levels. Level means each store location, what is the stock value, and replenishment lead time. So how much the lead time to make the replenishment. That's how you can when you can supply to the production. So this is so you are having this credit availability and ATP and PSC check here. It's product availability check. Product availability check PSC, and you can see that. So the features in the ATP. So backend processing. So main part of the ATP is BOP, backend processing. So there you can do the mass processing of orders. So you can do the mass processing of orders like in a batch mode. So that's that in that the order confirmation are changed to account to business priorities. Account to priority, you define the BOP. The system will automatically propose the confirmations to satisfy your fulfillment process. Basically, a segment in the BOP will run. We create a segment. The segment will contain all your priorities as well as your different configuration strategies. It will contain everything in that. As a very sophisticated as well as easy to use tool. Wide range of condition and filters, different filters to come across your requirements, and so you can handle exception handling. And you can monitor the process state and final results. So when you run the BOP in that run the BOP variant, so it will show the process state of each order and what the result of the process. So they can run from query app. Part of the setting up the back BOP in the HANA in the query. So basically segments are used. Segments back order are used for processing the requirement for we run configuring the BOP process. So that's a app is a Fiori app that you can have a simulation of capacity also. You can remove the do the simulation to find. So you can find what is exactly the result system is giving the result, and accordingly you can plan or change or plan your decisions. Okay, and we have some sorting sequence, ascending or descending order. You have some sorting sequence. So this is other part of the BOP process. So you can using that you can use that to. So whenever your changes, we recommend changing. Whenever the recommend changing, full film process changing, accordingly you can definitely configure the BOP. Okay, so that you previously calculated the configuration. Previously, based on sales order, there is a calculation from the ATP. So again, that can be made in the BOP to allocate to different customers or different regions. So there will be a controller and central function for the whole thing. Yes, catalog. So this is not important ones. We can cancel catalogs that are used for analyzing the BOP run. So the concept of it. And so we get the product allocation, the ATP, and the cross application. We are getting the product allocation. So there's some settings are related to the catalog product allocation. So we have the product allocation, the cross application components. So there you can have some documents. You can have transaction product allocation can be enabled, and so that BOP will use the product allocation concept. Okay, this is an introduction. So you'll see how to do this. So go for the here for ATP, you can use both the basic function of the old ECC as well as the new ATP. We are getting here and cross. So first in the sales basic functions, you're already having that. Not basic function, we are here in the ATP check. Still you can use this one. Still you can use this one together with the ATP. So your same setting, what I see in the earlier setting, same thing is here. You can make a setting here also. Instead of going to ATP, you can make a setting here also. All the basic settings. So this is already seen the old ECC, everything is already there. And if you go for cross application, we have the ATP, and the cross application we are getting the ATP. Cross application we are getting the ATP. This one, advanced to promise. So there you get the different activities. So all can be, for example, product allocation, PL product allocation. So there you can activate the product allocation. Some options are there. So some more settings are in the ATP in the S4HANA and the S4HANA. Okay. So before starting this one, you have to enable the you have to enable the component. You can enable the component for ATP. So you can go for active business function. Activate business functions. So first you enable the ATP through active business functions. So here, so you check here for. So click continue. Okay, so here, so these are the functions available. So you can open this one. S4H always on functions. Always on functions. You'll get some extended features here. So here's just for ATP. That be under this one. Where is that? Supply web business. So ATP will get enabled that. I forgot the name of that one.
Can we search using search?
Search again, but the discussion here said once again. It's already enabled to get to search for that one. So that comes from there. Now in finance, we have search for that SD. So the returns is there, and the returns is there. So like that, you have the ATP also. People answer SD only here only. So yes, human here. Okay, I'll tell this subject. Already activated. So I can show so yes, yes, distribution, I mean segmentation in the connection. Okay, so maybe I'll show it. I'll update this one later, which should be enabled. So I'll enable this one. I'll enable this one. I got. Okay, so this will take update tomorrow. Where you get which one you get enabled. So for search option, there's no search option here. I think search option go for ATP. So that's coming here, ATP. Not showing that. Okay, I'll tell exactly which function I'll tell tomorrow because I think somewhere. So I'll show the process. I already activated, so I'll show the process. I'll update it tomorrow. It should be enabled here. Comes under this only. Comes under this part. Comes under this folder only. Always on functions. So here you have to enable that one. Let me check one more time. Otherwise, I'll show it tomorrow where it should be enabled.
What is the description of this business function?
That's the ATP full form is that the ATP will part of the ATP, that description.
Advanced return management. Okay.
Those are the return management. Yeah, this one. So S4HANA ATP, so advanced have to promise. This you have to enable. To enable, you have to check the option, go for the active changes. Active changes, so you will enable it. So it will come like this one, press the enter. It's already activated. It's already activated. It will remain activated. This is the first setup. We have enabled the ATP from here and business functions. The other things are same only. So like here you think say everything same. Only some small differences there. And with that BOP also there. Okay, first we'll make so yeah. So first we'll so you get both the settings in there. Basic function SD model as well as in the cross application. So in the old basic functions in the ECC, so all the settings are relevant. So already all the standard settings are there. We get the recurrent classes. So all the standard settings. No need to do anything here. Already all the standard settings are there. And you can go for this also recurrent type also. Everything is already there. So no need. If you want any new functional recurrent, then you can go further. Otherwise, everything is already from the old ECC. Everything is like that only. So here also is the same thing. The same concept here also. I can get linked with the recurrent class. So all these are the same only. Can for each line get also in the material that I will check option. So this I will check answer requirement, transfer requirements. So scheduling category get us into CP. The scheduling category get us in this all the options. And this also select everything is same only. So requirement for transfer requirements again we get the option there. It's all part of the old ECC ST basic functions. All part of that only. And you have to check. We get the ATP logic are against Spanish. So here the option here. So all the options are there. So you can make the checking group. I'll do checking group. So here one new thing is coming in this S4HANA advanced ATP. So this under checking group. Under checking group get enabled ATP. You make your own category or already check, or you can use the already existing checking and make active here. Advanced ATP make active. For example, I made a new one. I went to the new entries and reset one. I made it to be active. So again, you can see the details inside in the this one. So there's a setting inside. So there's no setting. So you can go for that availability check and assign the active here. Assign description. And so this we are going to link in the material mass data. Material mass data under sales general plant. We link this reset one. Yes, sir. Now it's an active mode. Reset one is an active mode. IATP active. This I can make our own, or you can use the exiting check here.
And in configuration, where do we assign this checking group?
This checking group. So this checking group, we are going to link in the material master data.
Only material master data, not configuration.
Configuration part, we are going that I can. If you go for new entries, we'll get option there. Yeah,
it is only text, right? It is only text.
It's only text. It's only text. Yeah. So it's only text. This is going to link to material master data. So thing is, we are active the ATP here. We are active ATP here.
So earlier we used to maintain either 01 or 02 in the material master for availability check.
Yeah, we have used reset one now. If you are ATP, you get linked there. Reset this one. You want to get a link there.
But here I can, instead of maintaining new, I can also activate the 01.
Yeah. You can activate the reset one here. You can activate say active here. You make it active here. Okay, so everything can be activated from here.
Okay, suppose no need to activity here, right? AATP.
Which for which one? Your voice is breaking.
No. Suppose we want old ATP process, so no need to activate here. Right?
No need to activate. No need to activate. If you want the new ATP, you get to activate here.
Okay.
So Sekhar, hello.
Yes.
Sekhar, actually, can you please tell me if say multiple users are placing a order at the same time? Okay. So how system will perform and how system will block for one user and another user? If multiple users are performing availability check for the same time, how system will block? Where is the control? For example, I have a stock of 100 quantity. Okay. So you are placing one order for one customer and I am placing an order for another customer. You are a one salesperson and I am a one salesperson.
Okay.
We both are placing for the same material. Okay. At the same time. Okay. How system will block or a system will allow to place the order for both the user? Where is the control? You understood, right? What I am asking?
Yeah. Same time we are different users using different customers. Same item.
So where is the control?
So that control can.
You mean to say no user should be block the order, right? Lock the order.
No, actually, I am placing one order and
no. I understood your question. The motive behind the question, what I want to understand is your requirement is even though there are two sales representative putting the order, the process should not be locked, right? For that particular material. Is this your?
No. For that particular material, I am having 100 quantity. Okay, 100 pieces. So you are one sales rep, I am one sales rep. So we both are placing the order for the same material of 100 quantity. So to whom it will get assigned?
Again, it goes on the microseconds. It goes on microseconds. Whoever first punches the order, punches the material number in the order and saves the order. First who saves, the availability check will run for first him. Suppose there are at 10:30 you both have started the order to punch, but you have saved order at 10:30 50 seconds and your counterpart has saved the order at 10:31. The first available 100 out of 100, suppose your order is for 30. First it will be allowed to get 30 to you, and for him the availability check will run only out of 70.
So is there any control from availability check?
No. User base, there is no control in availability check. Only plant base controls are there in availability and storage location base.
No, there is a control. There is a control.
There is a
Suppose,
control.
yes. So we can see for second option. Go to second, third options. We have control. Yeah.
What kind of control we are looking?
Yeah, if same time, suppose two users are using the same material, system will block for other users. So first one system will allow, for other is system will block. Okay.
ATP block or material master data block. There are two different things. One is material master data block and the one is ATP block. ATP is not a continuous process that need to be blocked. It runs whenever we run it manually or a sales order is saved or a transaction is changed, correct? The program doesn't continuously run. Whereas the material master is continuously open and it might get blocked. If two users are simultaneously using a single material master, it will be blocked for one of them.
Yes. Go to second one.
Yeah. Which one? This one, huh?
Second one. Yeah.
This one. Basic availability check. So no product version check here.
Not this one.
You still have.
Okay, so that's the thing. So it will block for the okay, so here and that here. So you can take either you can take the activation.
It is not that right. Again, it's a cumulative issue.
Okay, so the main thing is the requirement type that you can enable the yeah.
So the others you still have not been wrong. So you are able to try and again situation.
Okay, so we'll continue the other settings here. So next is the scope of value check. That was all standard earlier ones. Yeah, it was already used. Same thing only. And count scope of value check. Same thing is what I see in the earlier setting. Same thing only. And first the requirement. So all these are already available. So here in that. Instead of making a new requirement, I can enable already existing requirement type also. The requirement type can enable your already existing requirement type also can enable that. So the cost that act making the active. Make inactive or inactive. So we want to CRON to be active, you can make it inactive. You can make it active. CRON can be active for availability ATP. Say this one. So other settings are in the cross application. Other settings cross application. So this all is a basis function settings. We go for ATP in the cross application.
Okay.
So that comes with cross application components. Then ATP, advanced availability promise. So that you get some active, some configurations. So sender and not required, not just it's the same thing. What I see in the same thing coming here. Again, we get same thing here. So all are part of the so you can do it in the basic function or you can do from here also. Same thing here. And so here this thing also. So these are some so there's not much setting in the ATP. Not that not much check here. We have the scope of this for reservation. So most of things for the basic function only. Settings are based on basic function only. And here you can have these options. So then we have the so for STO, stock and order, we can do settings here, and this solid checking group. So we have the checking group, So same thing will come here. What is in the EC, same thing will come here also. This will come here. Okay. And so one major important thing is this PSC. In the PSC, so under product availability check. So here we have the business availability check. So again the same thing. Yes, there's no discussion setting, only the discussion. And same thing. What I see, the same thing will come here also. So this will come. So the same from the basic one, same thing is coming here. So here, already settings are there. So activated for output check. And we get for backup processing, setting is there. So again, we get some, we have to implement the nodes. Okay, so these are some of the settings. So most of the settings based on basic function, and you can do here also. Okay, so we'll run on run on BOP. We'll check how it is changing that. So before that, one more thing, we have to update the infrastructure. We have to update the infrastructure for product allocation. So that also should be done. That comes under logic general. So you have to enable the infrastructure for product allocation. You have to enable that. You have to update that. That's under logic general. Under logic general. Then under logic information system LAS. There under logical data warehouse. Then under updating. Then under that updating control. Then I can go for sales and go for not sales. Go for the so under sales activate update is under. Yeah, you have to click on the active. You have to click on this activate update.
But what is
activate update? So then go for sales and distribution. You will get a product allocation. Yes, 140 product allocation. Yes, for product allocation. Then go for details. Click on details and make active. Update the synchronous updating one. You have to activate it. Then enter. It's already activated and save this one. So this is setting for the infrastructure.
What is that?
So this is setting basically for the availability check. So now we'll do we'll check this functionality now with the VOP. VOP in the Fairy app. So Fairy app.
Shekhar, can you explain what is alternative based confirmation? That is part of AATP.
Which one?
Alternative based confirmation. It was in AATP.
So that comes to cross submission. You're telling cross submission.
No, same the AATP tree. So just open the AATP. It was there in AATP.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, below that back order processing, alternative based confirmation.
Here, this one. Okay, so ABC. Yeah, so here. You can include the enhancement. You can upgrade the enhancement. Salted based conference. You have to enable this. For it will enable for the here we have the option to enhance that, update the functionality.
No, but what is the use of this feature?
So during the BOP run, we'll check for the confirmation. So we have the different requirement for the sales orders, which are different dates. So the system will confirm which should be which order should be confirmed based on this function, based on this based on the preferences of customer or the region. So still hardly propose the requirement or sales order, which order should be satisfied. Okay, so you want one if you want some more information, I can update that later. Okay, so I'll take this care of this one. I'll update this one. So you want to how ABC enabled in the AATP. That you want to know. So ABC, how it is updated in S4HANA. So I'll check it out and come again on that one. Okay.
Okay, Shikhar, thanks.
So now if you go for the Fiori. Did not go so in the and yeah, type only at that time. So let this open. By the time we'll make some sales order. Make a sales order, so you can check the functionality. So it makes a new sales order with different delivery dates. The same item will make some more orders. So two or three orders will make. It's the same material. So actually, I have one more thing that the delivery date should be monitored so that you can check the requirements. My delivery date was secret delivery date. So record delivery date, pricing date. So record delivery date 26 days, certifying past period. So it makes the date as some future date, second June, May, 2nd May. So let's make some more sales order with a different delivery date. So say this one. So there's another customer. There's another customer sales order 407. You have 3 sales orders, 3 different dates. You go for the then payment times. Incur time. Yes. The date is 26/4. So change the change to again some more speech date. So I'll take as 12th June, May. Again the details. First 100 item. So here the stock should I have so much stock. We try to do this one. Okay, it's 407. Date is 12/5. So I got my default pricing. I'll give it and enter that. So conditions. The second sales order is another requirement date. Say this one. So one more sales order will make and with another requirement date. So another customer. This is another requirement date. So I can take some longer period. So again some 20 items. One more thing I forgot to make that. One more setting, get make it metal mass data. So, okay, let me save this. I'll show that one. So I forgot to say we have to assign material mass data settings should be assigned. So item conditions. So date was 18.5. Save this one. So before that, before making sales order, you have to make the setting in the material mass data. In MM02, so I think I enabled it for this item. MM02 for item material mass data. Here, this is the material. Material, I just check the material. That is TRGP. Item was FG1000, 182. Select this. And here in the, I had an MRP also, so harness levels. So here under the basic data one, we have the product allocation. So that was done in this was done. You can see if you click on this one, you want to know where is it created, and go for create option. So that is in the cross application. So that's under maintain procedure. Under product allocation, I will check against product allocation maintain procedure. So there I made a procedure. Here it's not, so there's no setting instead, just text that. So ATP. So here click on this one. We get the allocation and we can check here ATP consumption and the product allocation methods. So I get your name and the description. I enable the ATP this check. Okay. So that will link in the metal mass data. Link in the metal product allocation in the metal mass data. And one more setting. It says general plant or the MRP also can set this one. So that already check should be so on the general plant. So this should be enabled there. I will check. So I enabled for Z1. I made a new one Z1. Otherwise, take the 01 already enabled. I already enabled 01 for AATP. So it is 01 also can take, or you can take that also. Just say this one now. So I already made a setup. So actually, it will not change because already sales are with your problem. So I'll change this in the. I'll take the word down only. Otherwise, again, you got to change all the sales orders. So I'll take the whole run only. I create my one reset one with the ATP enabled. This I enabled that particular one. So I enabled ATP for that. So that I enabled ATP, this one. So I said I enabled ATP in the IMG. Okay, so I'll go for the query app. Query app. So here you go for, first you'll go for configure system BOP segment. First make a segment. First you are going to make a segment. So type here configure BOP. long time. So when I was checking, it was working fast. Now it's becoming slow. First make segments should be created first, then you make a variant, and then you can run the variant, then get the report based on that. So try to open again, close and open it again from there. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then we start that. Wait for a minute, then we'll type. So actually, the BOP we have one option. The BOP, the main thing is we have some different steps. There are different steps. So I'll explain that one. So these are the different strategies, kind of different strategy in the BOP app. We have some option like this one. So the status will be, the requirement status will be win, gain, redistribute, fill or lose. So this is one category strategy in the BOP. Win, gain, redistribute, fill and lose. That means based on the requirement, so confirm as request. Win means confirm as request. That means you can satisfy the immediate sales orders as well, important sales orders as well as the less important sales order. Everything will confirm during the win. That means the stock is available enough so that it can satisfy all the requirements. That's a win position. Gain means improve if possible. That means the preferred sales order will be converted to delivery, and others may gain. The less important customers can gain from the gain option. That means the requirement can be sent to the applied to the less important customers also. So first is the main customer will get the shipment, but less important customers may get the requirement. They may get the fulfillment. That's a gain. So redistribute, the important sales order should be satisfied but lose also. So that's a possibility that the requirement cannot be satisfied for the customer, whether it's a important customer. So it's not sure. It can be, should gain, but can lose also. And fill means it will delete the conflict from the less important sales order can be deleted, and so there's no gains. Can be deleted. The conflict can be deleted because the item is not available. So they should retain but may lose. So they may retain the requirement and that fulfillment, or may lose also based on the item availability and the pending production and sales orders. and finally delete confirmation. So nothing can be done. Everything cannot be delivered. So delete confirmation. So these are some of these are 5 steps in the strategy in the BOP. So first step is make a segment. Segment will link the which are the parameter you want to check for the availability check. That's the first one. That segment. Then here get a variant. Here get a variant. Then here run the variant. These are steps. And during that process, use these strategies. Win, gain, redistribute, fill, and lose. Okay. So you got it. So here configure BOP segment configure. So there are 3 steps. First configure BOP variant and schedule BOP run, and you can do the reporting monitor BOP run. 4 steps are the first segment, then variant, then schedule variant, then monitor the BOP run. So first we'll go over the segment, BOP segment. This is segment. To make a new segment, click on this create button. Click on this create button. You can use segment name. So I'm making TRG ATP or ATP. The name is TRG ATP. I'll make here also the description also like that only. Then we have the option here, the selection option. So click here. So you can take the option where what do you want for the basic parameter, on which parameter you are going to do the this product checkup. So metal checkup, I will check. We are going to want which attribute. So I'll take sales organization. For me, sales organization, I'll do the checking. I will check. So sales organization, I'll take sales organization. This one, I'll take sales organization. And is which value? TRGS. Our company TRGS. I'll take TRGS sales organization. TRGS. Okay. This one. Then so you can simulate. You can simulate also. Click. Okay. First, let's sales organization. We'll save this one. Create. Click on create button. Second created. That is. So now we have the base sales document. So now you can go for we have the preference. You can first simulate this one. Click on simulate. So this is the pending order for TRGP. For TRG, these are the pending orders because these are requirements. These are requirements, material and plant and recipe and everything is there. Okay, the PA relevant as well as PSC relevant. Okay, now next one is the priority set. Priority. So here click on this one. So you get the option here. So here conditions. So go for here. So we can close this one. Go for edit option. So now we have the priority set. So here. So you can take the option which you want as a priority set, which is giving more preference. So we'll take that. We'll take the option. We'll take the option. So delivery block, delivery date and quantity. So we'll take delivery priority. We'll take the option delivery priority. So on which priority delivery is given to the sales order, delivery priority. Okay, and you can take here sort sequence. Like that, you can make many priorities. Many priorities give the sequence here, and sequence can be in ascending order or descending order. So you can like priority. You can make more priorities by clicking plus button. You can make more priority. You can get different sequences, and you can give the order, say ascending or descending order. You save this one. Okay, so this one you can already there. So you have priority. So made a priority, and we have made the sales segment group. We made a segment. We have done the BOP segment. So you can simulate one more time. So already the thing is there. So this is a segment creation. We have made segment name, link the sales transaction. I have the priority also. I have given here. Priority is also here given here. So next step is again make it the variant. Next step is make it the variant. So configure BOP variant. Configure BOP variant. So here go for new variant. Click on new variant plus button. So give the variant name. So I can give TRG ATP. Save the maintain here also. Then you can, based on sales order, sales order, the option as sales order. So many options are there. We'll take will the delivery or sales order, the delivery or sales order. I'm taking the taking the sales orders, and you can apply this one. You can apply this one. For sales document, you can apply this one. So either segment name, what you created now, segment name, that was TRGTV. Take the segment name and check this one. Click on create. Variant created. Variant is created. You can simulate that one. So the sales transaction has been scheduled in simulation mode. So then it's in simulation mode. So come to edit again and save this one. So save this one. We have saved the variant. We have saved the variant. So actually we have to schedule the variant. So okay, we made a variant. Then go for schedule variant. Go for scheduling the variant. So that is scheduling. Schedule BOP. Schedule BOP run. You can mention the date and time here. So variant is. So go for create option. So take the template. You can take the template like this one. Backward processing output. So it is there. Then step 2. So the date here, give the date here. Very first already there. Step 3. So date is 11:43 now. So step 3. Parameters. So variant name was earliest to be created variant name. That is TRG ATP. Okay. So then click on schedule. Click on this is not mandatory schedule. So the job has been scheduled. ATP, this one, it is now scheduled in process. This already done yesterday. This one in process now. Okay. So now we have done the variant. We have run the variant. So next step is monitor BOP run. We already scheduled. The next one is monitor BOP run. So you can see. TRG ATP. There are two things. So we made 3 sales orders. Okay, so that is so this is simulation mode. It's in simulation mode. So this is the result we are getting. So you want to see detail again. It's a two process status there. That is no issue. Then this and all issues are there because the date is record date is before the scheduled date. So that's when the error message. These two are enabled. It's a process. No issue. That no issues. You want details in that. So go for this option. So for the plant, fully confirmed 50%. You can see the information here, the proposed requirement. So go for this one. This is a requirement for this 5001. So date is 2504, and you can see that auto confirmation, oral confirmation 5 each. Oral confirmation 5. This is here, this is 0. This is 0 each here for 5002. So you can see the message here. Click on message. You can see there's no processing issues. So this is 2504. These are the old ones. 1 second, let me. So I'll go back. So this for the, I can go back. This is the setting here. So here you can go for So it's fully confirmed, is showing that. So fully confirmed time. So showing time is confirmed for this order. This one is for plant. So you can see that there's no issue. There's a confirmation issue, but there's only confirmation issue for this order. For plant, this so 13 items, 13 items. And say details. So you can see the information here. So because it's a request, confirmation only 5 each for this order. 540. See the port is 501, 5401. This is the old one. Actually, today is not coming. 5401. Date is 25/4. So there's 25/4 is already confirmed. So actually, we'll go back. We'll do it again. It's not saying today. This is today's 2704 started. Come to 2704. They basically these are variants. Basically variants. So this one is not activated. Simulation not activated. So once again, I'll go for activating the simulation also for that also. We got to configure variant, BP variant. It's already there. Says on sales area for TRG, that's correct. Start order. Simulate. Simulated 5401, that is 502. So down you can see, it's come actually down. You can see the latest orders you can come down 654 and 615 and all. This is the latest what you get now. Okay, so it shows this one. Go for again that run. So monitor BOP run. So here were so many variants. So this is for the so date is 24. This is our latest completed 23, 2004. Second one. So these are 13. There are 13 sales orders. You can see all the 13 sales orders here. So today one is down category, come down. So nothing is confirmed. Nothing confirmed. 20. These are the latest sales orders. Nothing is confirmed. You can see the okay. So one more thing I forgot to show that. So during that so we have that 5 stages now that you can see that. Sources over here. Click on this one. Click on this configuration issues. Not this one. Go for the so that 5 strategy tool, win distribute. So that is coming under okay. So under the so segment name. You get TRG, ATP. So close everything and go option. That was TRG. This one also we did now. clear the EP. Here you have the option. This is a new creation, not this one, is the new creation. So there you can make that setting. Priorities already there. So what did I add? Next one was POP. So it's already that see it's a variant. So is this doing that in documents again? Simulator, close this one until that. So when I run the BOP run. So I wanted so that win that strategies. I am not getting that one. So here, so there's a practice there. Okay, so when you see this MRP run, that VUP run, you can get the report like this one. From there, you can find out it can be delivered to the customer. This is the latest one, with this one. So it is not showing that confirmation. That is on 5416, not confirmed. So see what is 5416. From 6. Date is 18/5. Date is 18/5. Not confirmed. It's not confirmed. 20 is not confirmed. Here 20. Total quantity 10. 20, but it's not confirmed. So the cancer convert strategy redistribute. So here. I'll show one of my old earlier one. I'll show that there you can see how this showing that. So I'll go for so BUP, then I'll take my old variant just to show how the strategies are coming. So here type BUP. I'll show the BUP run for my earlier variant. So I'll go for this one, the TGS, SGS that we made earlier. So in that showing that processing issues, because the requirement date was not a process. So you can see that here you can see here confused status. You can see here. You can see alert win or gain strategy. You can see that strategy win or gain strategy. Win or gain strategy like that. You can see process status here. And last what we did now. Really it is showing the status because today I did not make the strategy. So you go for the today's strategy. I did not link that strategy. That win gain we did not assign that. This can done the AC that is on also. AC that is also you can see this run. It's not confirming, so I don't know why it's not confirming. So when you made the sales order, on a message came, when made the sales order, the relative check and one option one came there, when the recommended was that go for schedule lines. So confirm 0 again, it's not confirmed. So because only it's not showing there also. Why is it not confirmed on 18.5? Not confirmed. Because there are other requirements for the same item on that previous dates. If it's confirmed, then you can see the confirmation there. So it's not confirmed. Receivable, will escape. Okay, there's a problem with that strategy. For this one, I'm not even checking rule A. Please create. So we'll check in. Otherwise, check in the. I'll change the material master to 0.1. Into 0.1 here. And it's already active. That ATP is active there in that 0.1. Save this one. Now we'll try to run the BOP run now. We'll see any differences there. So come down. That is these two 2704. Now still not confirmed. Requirement 13. So it's showing the procedures, no issues. The requirements. So now it's confirmed. 15%. So you can see for my last sales orders. So 0H only. So 16.0H. Conversion not done. You can sales order, you can still it is showing that. It's not confirmed. Long stock is there. Enough stock is there, but there are a lot of sales are pending. So that's why the problem, I think. Showing 0, I confirm what is 0 is showing that. The other sales order, that is 3415, that also not confirmed. So I do one thing, so I'll again come back on this one, this ATP. So tomorrow when we start the class, I'll solve that BP in the credit management. I'll see the BOP once more time. Run this BOP one more time. Settings are same what we have seen in the ECC. BOP run again tomorrow. I'll show you this one, and also you asked about that alternative EBC. That also check and update tomorrow. Okay, so morning we'll solve this issue first, then we'll go for the new topic. We'll go for credit management, remaining two things, and this BOP run with that doubt of that ABC alternative. So tomorrow I'll start the session with the solutions. Okay, so salary 12 o'clock will finish now. So I'll say what are not taken, not completed, I'll complete tomorrow. Okay, so we'll meet then tomorrow. The BOP run again I'll do tomorrow with a new variant. Maybe I'll make a new materials and you say I'll check once more, then I will show in the we'll see in the class. Okay, so Ashish, we can Ashish and Puneet Verma will see tomorrow. Okay, the remaining things, the pending things, I'll finish tomorrow first, then we'll go for the fresh topics.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll close now. We'll meet again tomorrow morning. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.